Welcome back to Chinese Parrot. Today we are going to learn finals. The first final we are going to learn is O. O. It is just like O in English. When O is pronounced, O should be pronounced first. Then shrink your mouth gradually and raise the back of your tongue. The shape of the mouth should be changed from big to small. O. O. Let's learn the four tones of O. 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 Remember, apart from B, G, Qi, G, U, the O could be used to combine with all consonants to make up Chinese characters. Then let's learn a Chinese character which has O. Go. Go means dog. Do you like puppy? Go. Go. The second final is Yue. Yue. When we pronouncing Yue, pronounce U first, then slide to A. The airflow need to be continued. Yue. Yue. Let's learn the four tones of Yue. 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 Remember, Yue can only combine with N, L, G, G, Xi, E to make up Chinese characters. Now let's learn a character made by Yue. Jue. Xue. It means study. Jue. Jue. The third final is R. R. Sounds similarly to letter R. 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 To pronounce R, roll the tongue and pronounce A. R. R. Let's learn the four tones of R. 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 Pay attention that R is a special final which doesn't need initials to form a single character. Now, let's learn a character made by R. 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 It means year. R. R. Let's review what we have learned this time. O. O. Yue. Yue. R. R. homework for today is reading and writing what we have learned. Okay, so much for today. See you. 再见。